sa abeto dwa no say dollar no edwanija cities no dollar na yesi yachi no ato police station no and I dey na to sales no and me say odwane free sales no wabo omo a no omgu sales no wabo omo ankasa na ebia menim de waye wekum omo because at the rate at dollar no edwanija cities no ano den ayeti say onipa wasori anopa akotwom se mekwa akoto ade na ade no ebia woto no enra 1 city the next 2 days you do you say 3 city a jump without any reason say dollar no nanka recently and you say dollar no and 9 cities akọ 10 cities akọ 10 cities so ebia ebeka won ma there will not be any other issues your one dollar no akọ 11 cities just last week ebe so dollar no kọ 12 city you say 11 city and pay yet one man yes dollar no akọ 13 city and then we am no eka say dollar no akọ do 40 cities utumi hu say answer na bosumi be kọ ewie no na dollar no 15 cities answer na ebia bosumi be kọ ewie no na dollar no kọ 20 cities say baby dollar ne du no pa omi ade economic shock be pa atwa ukosua ade e wo yifa ukọ le kon ana baby ukosua certificate no ana ukọ ye theoretical staffs we are sankofo na osua books ni teacher tell na de e ne gu ni team no so de be solve economic problem but we in 2014 e ka tire Ghana for say I Ghana for NG and I say omo per link omo be hu ni lecture of how to stabilize the economy no our ye ni na no dream say economy solve no eye by book what I have learned in school no be him say ba omia look at the youth and the deeper omia chi na omo ko ne summit of economic summary I all have it. This man was a very threat, a good threat to the past government. And so now this is the government a bus city depreciation high power because just within this year city depreciating times 7 right now. The Biana dollar no one crown san be 2022 mono akoso ayetin na a grade 4 and a soon a grade 4 a high. Say ade bia ye importi ediba say dan na wasi and e bia okoto Turkish dog say in Ghana for there so mu bie a dan na omu sia obi abeso to Turkish dog because omu fele say dogs there ba e Turkey for and e yeri omu obi bisa abo last week say e bia 4,500 and then sa Turkey dog and 950 9,500 Ghana cedis and no and akoye inti ade bia utobia enye Ghana ade aye importing and mostly nyoma bia mostly akade de county na ye importing e free akoche that means you are not going to meet the same price inti enye won wa say ensuo kra ye no ye tum e de koso eno no ye man penifo enye o ma de say o mehwe sa nyoma ni sa no ma solve na nso wo ye media ni na wo gina na okokasa kiro mo say de omo ye no oman enya na ya fra bia na no mo so omo nyamre na command ti ni abechu e de akoto na chese unim dia obeye sidi no ye mepese me ka chon se ekosoro epa ebinimu esre ebinimu esu omo ye business omo ton ade dwedifo buafu uko market and ye tutu shop for the past days nie and omo so betu because now whatever they import say we will be our importation obeti the American dem ase now whatever it is Ghana eba abayedin aman penny for the ebesere on say Ghana for se men kan cho say ye pa ocho akufuado ye pa ocho say ye to abama o hu ye mobo na hu ye mobo because the dollar na e cost ebe manyoma bo ayedin. Don't take it as a joke. Me who say I be supporting MPP until I will talk anyhow. No, dollar ni you say Ghana city to me to sa. But the way na dollar ni Ghana no, they be racing can say racist dollar ni ewini asa kwa ba sa be paya mo. I'm not too much. I'm not anything. Affect ye ni na. O man pay for any edit the agile. A man for any na yen kabum na yen boa na o man no any ye. Let's help. Let's do the best and talk about it. Honestly, let's do our best and talk about it and solve about the economic problem that is going on. Sebe Kaiwa na kuntia. UK Prime Minister Ababa Weya Boris Johnson free so I didn't buy mami ebetina so just under 44 days in power. Obetina akonyaso. Unim so of Ghana ni bi as a finance minister. and a part of the finance committees. Na my echo summit be send your the analysis to and the finance no pay and a may say hey be me untumi nya adwuma no for we adwuma eto under just 2 weeks. Mami yankasa no echo parliament meeting na okasa say ono she is not under any pressure, she will try and fight. But no share na no man on to me na the tactics or the two also be revive the economy of the UK no when to me no ordinary juma esiwo we no make e de ama ebimu e wo Ghana man mu o hwe na say wo nua kra na teso e na wonim say ade na wo ye no on to me ni ya mesere wa aka che ne say wo si e ye Ghana fo e na ye twen ho dwen Ghana fo ho Ghana fo e na ye bre sika na mo hia no mo nya die wie sika no mo di it is enough mo agi loan e bi mo be check. Dollar depreciation no affect ye dollar depreciation no high ye bre as on mine and then o come marketer untumi tohwe workers etuma pay no de akafo e na enomato no kosoro enipa suo e na esu se o ye party member faculty no say no baby eduni your on mine e na ye dwen ho. We should not think about the politicized part of it. You can be a politician and do whatever it takes. But a person kasem na omani ko se sika ene di bu man o e sika ne di bu man apa Ghana be ye ni na omanpanyi akojilo IMF so abomode approve ama loan ayeden akoso eti watima boma loan akoso ye de be ye mpuntu djuma na se ye mpuntu djuma ne ye kokra nyoma e de aba oman mu na mu be ye den a ende ka ayesen eko ekro bi mu wakotogoda ukotogo Toyota Camry ana Toyota Corolla uto ni bo enye de nsu Ghana ha udi sika puduo na wo se wo de to sa aka no because that's a ye tua e wo Ghana port no emu odu se ya to sa aka no e wo akochimem cars ye de ba Ghana bebre na se nya ban car na eye tie rubber bebre na eye home use cars and home use cars e wo akochi people take $1,000 to buy those cars, people take less as $2,000 to buy those cars. But since you can't buy Ghana sikemwa, you have to pick up a lot of money to go and purchase those stuff. Ebusia for Ghana for ebre. Se si ana minu ke se dollar no jampe. Se ende ya na dollar ni 13 cedis. Update a beba of stock market no ebe tire se abedu 14 cedis. Na say na dollar ni raise ya. Can you say it to stop investors from coming to here? And an investor will say no, yes, see the new phone. They will not like to invest in the stock market in Ghana's range of economy because ya bafum ya nyoma bia enye interestable. Obi be sasa ente ya den na dollar ni etwane. Say ye importation more than exportation. And na ye nyoma ye dey go outside. This is just a simple one analogy I mean what you say. Exporter ye bebre di kwa abroche no. Right now the demand for it is less. The demand for those exports is now less. Demand for it is now less. iPhone aba munim. iPhone ya buy iPhone 14. Ye ten ye be try iPhone because Ghana ni bia person use iPhone 14. At least a person use iPhone product. And then minim phone we bia na okra phones e dey free abroche e dey back Ghana. Say no see ejuma na e ba phone because dollar na cost to me ko fa. Na ke ye iPhone ana ya sambu bi wa hanoma. It will not be at that cost because normally be e wa ha. Manufacturing no endorse so e wo man we mu. We are rather export any normal mostly raw materials. And then no man who come marketer competitive in the market because cocoa and you can provide it. Say Brazil cocoa. Crop to say China crop a crime cocoa and you would grow. And or come market no so a bag of cocoa no or better on you 200 because you say he's not known as a country or produce cocoa. Ghana ne work pa. Now so Ghana because I may turn maybe 800 Ghana. One can say oh that be any empower the no because China the no. China because need the less. Now we say Ghana no ebe say demand they say oh and yes sir for 400 bra. Na me turn sir it can say nipa no the $5 and the net talk Ghana cocoa no at the price of 800 2 or the $2 and the net talk one cocoa bag. What depreciate and what catch is so the $1 back and the vector one cocoa bag. It in out market no not just a stock market in Ghana price no bafum ebusian for Ghana for esu Ghana for 30 o man penny for the sram and yes ye betina TV so ye betina your phone in him na ye be yam na ye be kase ye mbu ade no the youth of the country are suffering. Find a way and solve the economy of this country. The city is going up high. Ebusuafo na me catch us say Jumeku a soma say enye obi a say nitrufi say enkopo bia e ma ne bebo ne dan so enye o dan so enye den e ma o say o abrochi say o akra na bia o dan wo krom ana ba bia wo akire o say free eneko ekosi bro nyambre so no and there is no workmanship. O friend so be yeduma ma obakoto akade papa forget say economy ni ayadi ono de e very affordable nyoma mo ayadi ni no so won workmanship no obehwe no abo dan so ma na ma renting nyoma na ekoso no eso abafo kaka se Ghana na e wo no efirafo no so agina e na renting no o ye yombo a untumi renti ati wo pekwan ekwan bi obefa so e na wo de bedi bone anse na wo de nyesika wo man the people in the country, especially the old people, because older, because we see youth, they are making the youth hopeless. And then every youth in the country want to travel out of the country because their places system do approach here. As a young person, whatever dream you possess in your mind, you can achieve it. Ebusuafo I na dollar no nsem na medi ebreo ebinimu esre mekasi ebinimu osre a mpese me be ku atire onipa onu de odele ni nyoma odole mu no onu de ni age papa na so dodoa na ewo Ghana no ye bre o maame na oton toast ewo kwan ho an say dollar na ekoso kan hu se petrol no so at all automatically petrol be ekoso o fan toast no odwemu na oba obekasi to petrol into otunyom dollar no rise in a stock market yet so less and this city need appreciate here it affects the economy. Me am dey jumedie ebro me dey limo elikem kwame amega ubetumi afreme efokent na metros Xposed GH. We are on all social media platforms. You will be here, you post here, making sure say all the notification bell no ebeto send your ohwem wa YouTube no share na obi so ensa enye den enkedi be nuando fo no and me catch us that send ye be say share amine ye team aha e Ghana nsem ye be say share. Bye bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Asifa Bay. Now a damn has sent Sunny, and then the one from me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny say, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there in way. Let me jaw what to coin. And I'm a catcher say, Confine neat roofing system for no matter what dying so my end. And I'll offer quantum for my tamaquafwa. I'm about dying so I share then in you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from what? Tinch as I said, one na some boy dance from my end.
Ore uti, unim says he can't wire thing. And now we are the answer. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama we. And unti, and I'm a share will say, Confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Achia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, red cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka hold the are, any not to suffer neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa.
And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion change pan or diapa. Say they, if it's sabre, equisi say, ye betty bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and kobo down Sumawa. A candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Nay, do a chi aqua down a swamma free. I won't tiare.
As I might cast an impatem, neat roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Bio, Parker so, Protua Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in Dimshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, friend neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.